Hello friends, so today we will discuss in this video Boolean expression, compound Boolean expression. First is Boolean expression. So a Boolean expression is formed by using Boolean variables, Boolean valued quantities and logical operators. And Boolean valued quantities are values like zeros and ones and logical operators. So we have three logical operator or and not or and not. So Boolean let us take an example to understand this. For example, if a proposition is it raining today? Is it raining today? So this proposition will be either true or false. So for true we use 1 and for false we use 0. So 1 and 0 are known as Boolean valued quantities, and the variable which will be holding the values 0 and 1 are known as Boolean variables. And logical operators or and not. So first we will see the types of logical operator. So first, logical not operator. So logical not operator, first a truth table of logical not operator. So a 0 1, so logical not, it is represented by a bar. So logical not is just opposite of 0, 1, and opposite of 1 is 0. The Venn diagram for this logical not operator is, for example, this is A, so logical not will represent this part, excluding A, so this part is logical not, this is A not. Now we will take logical or. Logical or, for example, we take two proposition A, B, and here A plus B, so plus is logical or operator. So 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1, as we know that this OR operator gives 0 when either of them is true or both is true. So 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 and 1 1 1. Now the Venn diagram for this A plus B will be, for example, A is this and B. So A plus B represents this region. So this region is A plus B. Now we will see logical AND operator. So logical AND operator is similar like AND. A, B, it is represented by dot. Logical AND is represented by dot. So 0 0 1 1 0 1 0. We know that when both are 1, then it will give 1. So 1, here 0 0 0, both are 1, so 1. The Venn diagram for this A and B is this. So this is A dot B. After this we will see compound Boolean expressions. So the compound Boolean expressions are NOR, NAND, XOR, XNOR. Now next topic is compound Boolean expression. A expression is called compound Boolean expression when it is formed by use of some operators like logical NOR. Logical NOR is formed by logical NOT plus OR. Logical NAND formed by NOT plus AND. And XOR and XNOR. The XOR is exclusive OR and XNOR is exclusive NOR. So XOR is just A dot B bar plus A bar dot B, and XNOR is negation of XOR. So negation of XOR is A dot B bar plus A bar dot B whole bar. Logical NOR can be represented as A plus B whole bar. Logical NAND can be represented as A dot B whole bar, which can be further written as, by De Morgan's law, A bar plus will change into dot B bar, and A dot B bar can be written as negation by De Morgan's law, negation of A dot will change to plus and B bar. Now we will see the Venn diagrams for logical NOR, NAND, XOR, XNOR and truth tables for these. So first is logical NOR. So for NOR, A, B, 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. So first we will do A plus B. So A plus B is 0 1 1 1. Now NOR. So NOR will be A plus B whole bar. So just opposite of this. So 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0. Venn diagram for this will be, earlier the Venn diagram for OR was this, but now the Venn diagram for NOR will be this region, excluding the A and B. So this will be logical NOR. Next is logical NAND. So NAND A, B, A dot B, A dot B whole bar. So this is logical NAND. 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. A dot B gives 1 when both are 1, so 0 0 0 1. So the just opposite, so 0 1 0 1 0 1 and 1 0. Now the Venn diagram for this net is, एंड का क्या होता था, एंड का होता था ये, इसको एक्सक्लूड करके बाकी सब, दिस इज A, दिस इज B, excluding this one, the whole region is NAND. Next is XOR. XOR is exclusive OR. So first we will see the truth table A, B. So XOR is generally represented as A dot B whole bar plus A bar dot B. 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. So this XOR will give 1 when either odd number of zeros are there or odd number of ones are there. So remember that जब भी हमें odd numbers of 0 मिलेंगे या odd numbers of 1 मिलेंगे, so this XOR will give 1. So here even numbers of 0, so it will be 0. Here odd number of 0 and odd number of 1, so we can say 1. Here odd number of 0, odd number of 1, so 1. Here even number of 1, so 0. So this is exclusive OR. The Venn diagram for this exclusive OR is A, B. So the Venn diagram will be A dot B whole bar plus A bar dot B. So this one is the representation of XOR. So remember that it will give 0, it will give 1 only when odd ones are there or odd zeros are there. Now coming to XNOR. So XNOR is negation of XOR. So negation of XOR means A, B, A dot B bar plus A bar dot B. So 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 A, this is 0 1 1 0, so here it will be 1 0 0 1. This will be XNOR. So remember that XNOR will give 1 when either even zeros or even ones are there. So it will give 1 when even zeros or even ones are there, then XNOR will give 1. And in XOR या तो odd 1 हो या odd zeros हो, तब XOR हमें 1 देगा. Now coming to next, that is principle of duality. The Venn diagram for XNOR is just opposite of A, this one, so it will be AB. So this will be the XNOR Venn diagram, just opposite of this. So including this and this region, this is the XNOR, this one and this one, this is the XNOR region. Now coming to principle of duality. So एक बूलियन एक्सप्रेशन के दो फॉर्म्स होते हैं, तो एक फॉर्म को दूसरे फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं, डॉट को रिप्लेस कर देते हैं प्लस से, प्लस को रिप्लेस कर देते हैं डॉट से, जीरो को रिप्लेस कर देते हैं 1 से और 1 को रिप्लेस कर देते हैं 0 से. तो आफ्टर डूइंग दिस वी गेट a expression which is the dual form of the Boolean expression, and the principle involved in this is known as principle of duality. For example, let us take A plus 0 equals to 0. So in this what we have to do, we have to replace dot with plus, plus with dot, 0 with 1 and 1 with 0. So A, but the variable will remain same. So plus will change with dot, 0 is changed with 1 and 0 is changed with 1. So we can see that this one is also true and this one is also true, as this is the property of 1 and this is the property of 0. So these are the two dual forms of a Boolean expression. This. Now what you have to remember, the main thing is this principle of duality. In exam you can expect one question from this topic, as you will be given one Boolean expression and you have to write the dual form of this expression. So let us take an example. A plus B, C plus A bar D into 1. So we have to write the Boolean expression of this dual form of this Boolean expression. So we have to remember that dot will be changed to plus, plus will be changed to dot, and 0 will be 1 and 1 with 0. So but the Boolean variable will remain same. So A plus will be changed with dot, A dot B Here also one dot is there, so dot will change to plus. A dot B plus C plus will be changed to dot. A bar D. Here we can see a dot is there, so this will change to plus, and here dot is there, so dot will change to plus, and 1 will be changed to 0. So we can write it as A dot B plus C dot A bar plus D plus 0. So this is the dual form of this expression. Now take us another example. A plus 1 dot B plus 0 dot A bar plus B bar. So now the dual form of this expression will be, you have to remember one thing. Dot will be converted to plus, plus to dot, 0 to 1, and 1 to 0, and the boolean variable will remain same. So A plus will be changed to dot, 1 will be changed to 0, dot will be changed to plus, plus will be changed to dot, 0 will be changed to 1, dot plus A bar, and plus will be changed to dot and B bar. So this is a very simple question of 1 mark which can be asked in the exam. You have to write the dual form of expression.